Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we're making bell pepper and shimeji mushroom side dish. Well, it's super easy to make and the taste will be super yummy. And you can substitute bell peppers with paprika or stuff like that. And you can also substitute shimeji mushroom with any other mushrooms. Well, you've got only 2 ingredients for this recipe. Of course, they are bell peppers and shimeji mushroom. Today we use 2 bell peppers and about 80 grams of shimeji mushroom to serve 2 persons. Plus you need a clove of sliced garlic and you need 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a bit of salt and pepper and sugar for seasoning. This recipe is super easy and simple. You've got only 2 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. And just divide shimeji mushroom into bite-sized pieces, julienne the bell peppers and slice the garlic. Step number 2 is to heat the ingredients. Heat your frying pan, pour some cooking oil, and you heat the sliced garlic first. When it goes nice and brown, add the mushroom and heat them with medium heat. Then add the bell peppers and give it a nice mix to it. Finally, add the seasonings. That's it. It's super easy, isn't it? Alright, let's get started. Well, what are we going to step number 1? Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. First thing we do is to remove the stem of shimeji mushroom, right, and divide it into pieces. You can do it with your hand, right, and give it a nice rinse to it. When we go on to the bell pepper stuff, use your thumb like this and cut it here, and you can remove the seeds inside. Like this. Then make julienne cut to it. Right. Then go on to the garlic stuff. Remove the stem and slice it. Okay, it's sliced. So it's the end of step number 1. Why don't we go on to step number 2? Well, step number 2 is to heat the ingredients. First, you heat the frying pan and add some cooking oil. And it's heated, so why don't we pour some cooking oil here. And the first ingredient you heat is sliced garlic. Right. I guess it's supposed to be low heat, would be nice. Low heat. Right. Well, when the garlic get nice and brown, just add the mushroom, shimeji mushroom, and heat up to medium and heat it for a while. Well, I believe shimeji mushroom is heated well, so why don't we add the bell pepper as well. Keep heating it till it gets nice and soft. Well, I believe it's got nice and soft, so why don't we add in seasonings. 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tablespoon plus soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, just a bit of sugar, just a bit. With a bit of salt and pepper. This is salt and pepper. And give it a nice mix to it. It's done. There you go. Dish is ready. Alright, so why don't we plate the dish? Yeah, it's done. Done. Yeah. And it looks nice. Nice and brown. Right, there you go. The bell pepper shimeji mushroom side dish is ready now. Now you know to make bell pepper and shimeji mushroom side dish is super easy and the taste will be super yummy, so why don't you give it a try at your home? Anyway, if you like this video, leave some comments down below and subscribe. Take good care. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Arigato. Bye.